Welcome to Duncan Aviation, the largest privately owned business jet MRO worldwide, with 3 beautiful U.S. facilities. We're glad you're here. When arriving at Duncan Aviation, one of the first people you will meet is your project manager, who provides personal oversight of your aircraft project to ensure it stays on schedule and you stay informed. Your project manager and a team of experts have been preparing for your aircraft for months and are ready to go to work for you. Once your aircraft is carefully ushered into our hangars, the initial process gets underway. A team of experienced airframe technicians equipped with a detailed plan and specialized tooling are organized and thorough, performing all necessary tasks. If your project includes updating system controls, connectivity, air quality, or entertainment, we are a premier authorized OEM dealer for most major flight deck avionics and cabin equipment and systems. Our interior specialists ensure your interior is exquisite, fulfills your desires, and has the fit and finish to last for years. We handcraft nearly every aspect, right down to double stitching on the seats. You can expect the highest quality exterior finish from our state-of-the-art paint facilities. They paint more than 200 aircraft every year and use the latest paint products, equipment, and technology. Whether your engines require major overhaul, hot section inspection, or other maintenance and repairs, they are in good hands. Your aircraft's components are not sent to third-party vendors. They are inspected, repaired, or overhauled by in-house accessory, avionics, and instrument experts, and returned with an FAA 8130 dual-release tag. If your busy schedule takes you away from your aircraft, you can stay connected to the project through Duncan Aviation's customer portal, My Duncan, where you can receive updates, photos, and progress reports. During major inspections, unexpected squawks are often encountered. This is when Duncan Aviation's comprehensive engineering and backshop capabilities step up, providing support to keep your project on schedule with controlled costs. Every day at all of our locations, operators like you are having a similar Duncan Aviation experience. Our customer support doesn't end when your event is complete. A network of Duncan Aviation satellites and rapid response teams are located across the United States, available when in-the-field service is necessary. When it comes time to upgrade your business aircraft or add to your fleet, Duncan Aviation's aircraft sales and acquisitions consultants have unmatched knowledge and the full support of our 2,500 team members located worldwide. There are many resources behind the scenes at Duncan Aviation, working together to create a positive customer experience. Thank you for trusting us with your aircraft asset. Our goal is to help make your aircraft operation a long-term success for you and your business. We thank you for your business.